Hello everyone, welcome back to the Happy Tools channel. Today, I'll be showing you a piece of software that lets you extract all the followers of a particular account. As you can see, this is the software's interface. At this point, please select Scan Data. Next, select the Scan Follow Accounts function. Then choose Scan by Username List, and click Enter the username list here. When the notepad file opens, paste the Instagram account links you want to scan into it. For example, I'll scan everyone who follows the footballer Mbappe, so I paste Mbappe's Instagram link here. Enter how many members you want to scan. For example, if I enter 2000 to 3000, the software will randomly pick a number within that range to scan. If it selects file now so you can have a look, it will scan and return all 2,500 people who follow Mbappe's account. If you only want to scan accounts that are not private, tick San only public accounts. After setup is complete, choose an Instagram account to scan. Once you've selected it and hit start, the software will scan and return the exact number of followers you specified. Here you can see that the software has finished scanning. Next, simply click Export Excel file to save the data to your computer. As you can see, the software has successfully scanned and listed everyone who follows Mbappe's account. That's the end of today's video. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to give me a like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to get updates on my latest videos. For now, goodbye everyone, and I'll see you in the next video.